Okay, cool. The question that we get every year is basically what is a practical and what is a tutorial? So just intuitively, a practical is just a coding practical. So this is where you have some form of Jupyter notebook, and with this Jupyter notebook, you run through some code and you learn through interactive code in the notebook.
We've tested it working well.
And tutorials are more technical talks. So
but we've tested it today, it's working
fine. Speak about a technical topic. So if you want to know the difference, the one is more coding and it's a more interactive Jupyter notebook, where a tutorial is more just a talk with someone to speak about a specific technical topic. Okay, so this year we have an exciting lineup of practicals and tutorials. I'll just quickly introduce them. So we have ML Foundations. If you're interested in learning about the foundations of deep learning, this is a really cool practical tutorial to go to. We have Generative AI. If you want to learn about AI-powered image generation, this is a really interesting practical, and you can play around with generating images. We have the LLM practical. If you want to learn about the foundations of LLM, and even actually build your own small language model, this is a great practical to go to. And then we have the reinforcement learning practical. So if you want to learn about the foundations of RL and actually teach an agent to play Snake, this is the practical that you'd be interested to go to. And like I said, there's practicals and tutorials. So tutorials are more of these technical talks. They will happen before the practicals. So in this room, we'll have a generative AI tutorial, which is a talk. And then after that, there'll be a practical. There's a lot of interesting tutorials. I recommend having a look at the calendar and the program to check the specific tutorials. So something we tried a little bit differently this year is to think a bit more about how we structure our practicals. So in previous years, we've had these single practicals across very diverse topics. So we have these very diverse topics, and we have these practicals across a lot of diverse topics. And this was great. There's a lot of breadth. You know, if you're interested in GNNs or diffusion or LLMs, you could go to a specific practical that you enjoy. But we had this issue where people were saying they constantly ran out of time. So a lot of people, they couldn't finish the practical. And secondly, a lot of people said the sessions helped inspire them, but they struggled to build skills. So this year, we're trying to do something a little bit different. Instead of these like single breadth of practicals, what we're doing is we are having these practical streams. And you can think of each of these themes as sort of like a mini course. And it's quite similar to previous years, except we have multiple sessions per practical. The first session will still be online, will still be in person at the Indaba, so you will attend these first sessions today and tomorrow. And the second sessions, we call them Learnathons. These will happen online. So after the Indaba, after September, we'll have these online sessions where you can learn about part 2 or part 3 or part 4 about a specific topic you're interested in. And you can win nice prizes and get a certificate at the end. But we'll give more details about that. So we have a preliminary calendar for these Learnathons. We'll share all of this with you, so don't worry about it. So an important question is why join these online Learnathons? So if you come to the Indaba in person, why join these online Learnathons after the Indaba? And there's some nice incentives. The first one is if you complete 80% of the sessions, you'll get a certificate. Okay, you get a certificate. We're still working on sponsors for specific prizes. So if you do these 4 online courses, you can get specific prizes. And it's also a fun way to learn and collaborate with others. So it's a really fun way if you start forming friends that you meet at the Indaba, and then you do these online sessions after the Indaba. It's a really nice way to collaborate and form relationships with your peers. We're also working on possible physical locations. So maybe in specific countries, we have some physical locations where you can have these Learnathons. And just a quick examples of specific people's goals. So if you are new to ML, you might join these sessions because you want to begin or continue your ML journey, and you would want to maybe learn from others. If you're already working in machine learning, then you can learn about new interesting domains. Maybe you already know about deep learning, but you don't know about generative models.
And you can also find people to work on challenging, interesting problems with. So I think that's a real key thing. And just like a final point on collaborative wisdom, I think we've all seen this quote a lot of times, which simply says, if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together with other people. So I think one of the best things about the Indaba and the practicals, and just even the Indaba in general, is you have an opportunity to work with a lot of different people. So try and use a network and collaborate with people. And if you attend the online sessions, hopefully you can continue these relationships and form projects. An example of this was the worldwide recipe. This was a paper that was done by a lot of attendees at the Deep Learning Indaba, and this won best paper honorable mention at FACT 2025. So there's a lot of these initiatives where if you take advantage of the people around you, you can form really nice collaborations that have really nice outcomes. Cool, so because of time, I'm gonna skip everything, but basically the main thing is you should attend the practical sessions and remember to complete the review form at the end, and there'll be these online sessions after the Indaba. Please scan the QR codes. So if you're interested in these like Learnathons, scan the QR codes and it'll create like a calendar for you. And we also have a GitHub repo that you can use to see the practicals and tutorials that we have so far. So because of time, I can't take any questions, but yeah, please scan this QR code and add the calendar to your calendar so you can get more feedback about the Learnathons. And for now, you just attend the tutorials and practicals as you would like. Cool, thank you so much.